Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we confidently call the best iPhone lens protector for the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, the Tenoc Camera Lens Protector. If you've been searching for a sleek, sturdy, and reliable way to protect your iPhone camera without compromising photo quality, this one's for you. First, let's talk compatibility. This protector is designed specifically for the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, both released in 2021. That means it's a precision fit, tailored to align perfectly with your device's camera layout. It's important to note, though, this protector won't work with other iPhone models. It's purpose-built for these two. Now let's get into the materials. The protector is crafted with a combination of 9H hardness tempered glass and aluminum alloy. That's not just marketing speak. The 9H rating is a real industry standard that measures scratch resistance. And this one can handle keys, coins, even the odd drop from your pocket or bag. The aluminum ring adds an extra layer of protection around each lens while giving it a minimal and stylish black finish. One thing many users worry about with lens protectors is photo distortion or interference with night photography. Tenoc has addressed this head-on. Their lens cover includes a special anti-reflective coating that enhances light transmission and helps maintain the original image quality. That means your low light or night shots, even with flash, won't suffer from glare or weird halos. If you love taking crisp night photos or video, this protector won't get in the way. Installation is another area where Tenoc makes life easy. The packaging includes a single lens protector and a video tutorial link. Before installing, make sure to clean off any dust or smudges on your camera area. Then, line it up. It's a strong adhesive with firm suction, so once it's in place, it stays. You won't have to worry about bubbles or slippage over time. Let's also take a moment to talk about everyday use. This protector is fingerprint resistant, anti-shatter, and case-friendly, which means it won't lift or clash with your iPhone case. That's often an issue with bulkier protectors, but this one maintains a sleek profile. It's also worth mentioning how lightweight this product is. With dimensions of just 0.6 inches in length and 0.1 inches in width, it adds practically no bulk to your phone while offering tough protection. Overall, if you want solid protection that doesn't mess with your photography, the Tenoc Camera Lens Protector checks every box. It's easy to install, highly durable, visually minimal, and built to keep your iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max camera performing at its best. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest, in-depth product videos. See you in the next one.